Ready? Start. The injured person and other resident guests of the hotel, with whom he was having food and wine, insisted upon going to terrace area in question to smoke, despite there being another designated area in the hotel stop. Messer Asian Hotels North Limited, who is made accused number 1 is the owner of the hotel stop, merely because the appellant was holding position as managing director, in absence of specific allegations of negligence with the criminal intent, is not liable for prosecution. Stop. The causes for the incident was the act of injured, climbing a wall with a height of 2 feet 8 inches with 1 foot 8 inches fence on the Mumti and walking their stop. The accused number 1 is the owner of the hotel and no individual can be made accused along with the company, unless there is sufficient evidence of his active role with criminal intent. Stop. The High Court of Delhi has wrongly placed reliance on the judgment of this court in the case of Sushil Ansal versus State through CBI and rejected the petition filed by the appellant. Stop. Stanza. In support of his case, learned counsel Sri Siddharth Luthra relied on the judgments of this court in the case of Sunil Bharti Mittal versus Central Bureau of Investigation, Maqsad Sayyed versus State of Gujarat, Sharad Kumar Sanghi versus Sangeeta Rane, and Pooja Ravinder David Saini versus State of Maharashtra. Stop. Learned counsel referred to the status report, extracted in the order dated 21st October 2015 passed by the Joint Commissioner of Police, by which representation of Ms. Gauri Rishi was rejected. Stop. Learned senior counsel Sri Mukul Gupta, appearing for the appellant accused number 4, who was the general manager of the hotel, has made the following submissions. Stanza. By looking at the allegations made in the charge sheet submitted by the police, no case is made out to proceed against him for the alleged offences under sections 336-38 read with section 32 of IPC and section 4 of COTPA 2003. Stop. The incident occurred only due to sheer negligence of the injured, who walked out to the terrace for smoking and climbed on the parapet wall with the height of 2 feet 8 inches, which was having additional fence of 1 foot 8 inches. Stop. The appellant accused number 4 was also out of country on the date of incident. Stop. Only on the ground that the appellant accused number 4 is a general manager, he cannot be held liable as he is not even the license of the hotel. Stop. Over.